We're doing NFL sound effects. This is in the huddle talk right now. All right, bros?
Woo!
Yeah, there you go. I get on the sidelines where I belong.
Hey! Set!
Touchdown! Jay, of course. Naturally. I'm showing all of our fans the inside of our huddles. This is the huddle. Hey, what's up, man?
Technically
videotaping
but I was on the line.
offensive line.
It's technically you.
I'm selling these play calls.
All right, so let's go twins left. You'll be on the right side of the line. Twins left, guys, just come across. Outside guy on the right, just give me a flag. Hit, and just get out into the flat.
That was intricate, right, Dan?
Yeah.
You're the lineman, Dan. Do your job.
You're not showing them this.
For the right price, I'll show anybody anything. Yep. Broken up leg. Boom.
You got a block on that.
Turnover. Nice. Catch by Ryan. Ryan, show the camera your celebratory I just caught a ball face. All right. Look at that passion. That's what we look for in amateur league flag football.